Hi students, today we are going to study the different microorganisms in different samples of water. Microorganisms are invisible to the naked eye and they can be seen only with the help of microscope. Microorganisms are present everywhere like air, soil, plants and animals. There is a vast world of microorganisms and they are all part of the living world. Aim of this experiment to study the presence of microorganisms in different samples of water like pond water, well water and borewell water. Apparatus that are required to observe microorganisms, water samples of pond, well and borewell. Glass slides, compound microscope and cover slips. Collect a drop of pond water with the help of dropper and place it on glass slide. And cover with cover slip and observe under microscope. In the same manner, collect the drop of a borewell water with the help of a dropper and place it on glass slide and cover with cover slip. And observe under microscope. Finally, collect the well water with the help of a dropper and place it on glass slide, cover with cover slip and observe under microscope. What do you observe, children? We observed that when compared to well and borewell water and also seen different types of microorganisms in different samples. Whenever we observe the pond water under the microscope, we find different kinds of microorganisms like amoeba, paramecium and chlamydomonas. Finally, we conclude that from the above observations, it is concluded that microorganisms are present everywhere, although they are not visible to our naked eyes. Precautions: wear mask and gloves while collecting the water samples. Slide should not have broken surface. Slide should not possess any kind of impurities. Based on this observation, I pose few questions. Where are microorganisms found? Anyone guess the answer? Microbes are tiny living things that are found all around us. They live in water, soil and in air. Second question. What are microorganisms? A microorganism is a living thing that is too small to be seen with the naked eye.